Jai Srimanarayana. 10th sloka of 15th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Utkramantam sthitam vapi bhunjanam va gunanvitam vimodha नानुपश्यन्ति पश्यन्ति ज्ञानचक्षुषः ॐ You have to understand that you are different from your body in all conditions. You are staying in your body. You are experiencing things through your body. At some point you will leave your body. You are the personification of Jnanam. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall always remember that I am different from my body in all conditions. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. श्रीमद्भागवतमु 10th skandham, Dasamaskandham, 298th day. Om Haraye Namaha. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Kaliya's wives are praying Sri Krishna Bhagavan like this, O Sri Krishna, your grace, your anugraham is nirhetukam. That means there is no need of having any reason, whether someone deserve or not deserve. If your grace falls on them, then they will be blessed. But nobody knows when, how, where your grace will be falling on whom. Such हे कृष्ण परमात्मा, नमस्तुभ्यं भगवते पुरुषाय महात्मने, भूतावासाय भूताय पराय परमात्मने. हो देवदेवा, I do namaskaram to you. Sakala purushantaryami rupattvambu valana parama purushundavayyun aparichinnattvambu valana mahatmundavayyun akasadi samashrayattvambu valana bhutavasundavayyun. O Deva, you are indweller of all living beings. You are all pervasive. You are the shelter for all beings. And you are soul to this entire universe. Hey Bhagavan, because you are indweller, you are called as Paramapurusha. You are the main cause behind this entire Srishti. Even before this Srishti, you exist. Jnana Vijnana Nidhaye Brahmane Ananta Shaktaye. You have complete Jnanam and Vijnanam. You are Paratattvam, you are supreme, ultimate truth. You are Agunaya Avikaraya Namaste Prakrutaya Cha. You don't have qualities like all other have. Your qualities are extraordinary and divine qualities. And you will never get influenced by any changes caused by this universe, this Prakriti. You are Parabrahma. Such ho Sri Krishna, I do namaskaram to you. Like that, Kaliya's wives are praying Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 15th chapter, 10th sloka. Utkramantam sthitam vapi bhunjanam va gunanvitam vimodhananupashyanti pashyanti jnanachakshushaha. Utkramantam sthitam vapi bhunjanam va gunanvitam vimodhananupashyanti pashyanti jnanachakshushaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.